Ciao tutti, I'm Ludo, here in beautiful Turin for doTERRA's Europe Convention 2024. This is Know Before You Go, and I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know. Welcome to Bloom. To get to the Oval Lingotto is a 7-minute walk from Torino Lingotto train station, or a 6 minutes walk from Italia 61 metro. Once you've reached the Oval Arena, head towards the south entrance for registration, as shown here. Diamonds and above can enter and register here. For all general inquiries and assistance, visit one of these help desks. Registration opening hours are appearing on your screen now. When you arrive at registration, phone at the ready. Proceed to one of the screens and scan your QR code. Wait for your badge to print. And then at the desk, collect your lanyard and maybe even a recognition ribbon. Remember to wear your lanyard at all times. Then get your free gift. And also a top secret gift. But don't open it yet. Someone from stage will tell you when to open it. For separate tickets, scan all 3 QR codes to collect the different badges. To access all available language interpretation, attendees are required to use their own phone and headphones. To download the LiveVoice app, scan the QR code or click the link in the description and enter the number appearing on your screen now. Please remember to bring your headphones as headsets are not available in the venue. If you're having trouble with the app, you can find translation support here and here in the entrance of the arena. This year, language interpretation will be available in the following languages. Then, one last thing. Download the wePix app, which you can scan from the screen now, or click the link in the description. All will be revealed from the stage, but I promise you it will be worth it for that moment of magic. So now you've registered, picked up your passes, collected your free gift, and downloaded the apps, you're all set for Convention 2024. See you soon for Bloom.